So this is the dimensions of the key. So we are making using Solid X software. So using the Solid X software version 19, we are starting with click on the solid part. The file will be opened. And file saving the file at the first. Just click OK and save the file as key on the preferred locations as .par file. Save. Starting to create the dimensions or the sketches of this key, we are clicking on sketch. I'm choosing top plane or XY plane. Begin with rectangle tool. The head of the key. It is 20 mm length and this dimension is not mentioned, but even though I am suggesting it is around 15 mm, it will be there. So using the connect command and fixing the dimension and giving 20 mm and this one 50 mm. You can see dimension of 4 mm has been shown here and the dia 3 has been mentioned here. So this is a hole that we provided on the key. Using circular command on the center and making a dia 3 hole. To begin with, this is 4 mm apart from the edge. Dimensions here to 4 mm. So for the development, we are making a long part of the scheme. That is total length it is 50 mm. So using the trim command, we are trimming this area and using a equal command to make sure that this is equal at the both ends. For the profiling, we are measuring this 50 mm dimension of the total length of this key here. Zoom out. Scroll using the mouse scroll wheel, so you can zoom out in the sketch window. In the further profiling, you have to make this area of the key. And thickness has been not mentioned, but I'm taking approximately 3 mm this width. I'm changing it to 4 mm. For visual preference, I prefer 4 mm. And this profile deep down and making this profile just using lines. Check out. Using break comma. If the questions, it is 2, 3.2, 3. Total 8.5 is shown and 2 is here. 8.5 plus 2, as I believe that will be 10.5. Here it is 2m and R2 radius is there, so that will be total 4m. Here you can see it is approximately 2 hours I'm taking. Same approximately 2 mm I'm taking here also. Here I'm giving 3 mm, 3.2 and 2. The sketch we made of for the green initial sketch. We are finishing the sketch and return and finish. From the sketch using proportion, you can see the thickness it is 32 mm. Represent proportion. Changing the color from sketch, change and this one. And click and putting 2 mm. And finish. Further finishing the key dimensions, we are giving R5, 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 R5 on the edges for corners here. I am using a fillet command R5 here, 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 and here, and here, and here, and finish. I'm adding the sketch, and I'm adding the planes also for better visibility. Now you can see the states. Furthermore, R2 and R2 is being shown in 2 locations. Both filters are doing here. 2. Finish the view center. And the key has been made according to the sketch. Save the file. Save as to STL also. Options. Make sure this parameters and click OK and save.